Among several features of the Instagram app, the live feature is one of them. And same as the other features, Instagram Live is also a feature that you can use for marketing your business. Like other live stream platforms, Instagram gives this feature where you can go live and interact with your followers. Hence, it's an excellent tool for marketing your business and even for your personal branding in front of your followers. But most of the time, people don't have any idea how to use this feature in the best way possible. And thus, they just never use it. And if you face this problem too, then this video is for you. Hi, this is Asta from Paper Video, and in this video, I'll show you 4 ways that you can use the Instagram Live feature for business marketing. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Before showing you the 4 ways to use Instagram Live, let's first see how to use Instagram Live and its features in brief. To use Instagram Live, you have to first click the plus button on the home page and then click the live option. Now you can click the live button in the middle and the live video will start. You also have the option to first start for practice and then send notifications to followers. For that, you just have to click an eye icon on the left side and then click practice and set audience. You can also add the title to your video and add brand partners by clicking on the top icon on the left side. There's also the option to schedule your live session. You have to click the middle icon on the left side. Add video title, add date and time, and click schedule live video. You can also share it with a post where a user can add reminders and they will get notified 15 minutes before the video starts. While you start, you can invite others to join the video and create a live room. So you can see the Instagram Live feature is easy to use, effective, and with tons of features that can help you in marketing in many ways. And one of which is a product launch. Whenever you launch a product, you want to promote it as fast as possible, explain its benefits, and pitch it to the audience to buy one. And you can do this all quickly with the help of the Instagram Live feature. The best thing about the live feature is that a viewer will get the notification when you start a live video, which helps you to get more followers joining in the live session. To start a live session for a new product launch, you can schedule the live session with the title as your new product. In this live session, you will be able to explain the viewer what exactly the new product is, how it is better than other products in the competition, the benefits of the products, the cost of the product. The viewer can also send their message in the live video, which will give you an idea of how your audience reacts to your new product. Like this, the other way you can use Instagram Live is by doing a Q&A session with your followers. The method is good for business and personal branding also. Whenever someone follows you, they're interested in your content or product. The Q&A session gives a chance to your followers to interact with you directly, which they may not get in general. Here you can take questions your followers ask regarding your product. They may even have suggestions which they want to give. When you react to all their questions, they'll feel more connected to you and the brand, which can make a person a loyal customer. It also shows that you really care about your followers' opinions. Hence, a Q&A session could turn out to be one of the best ways to use Instagram Live. Another great method to use Instagram is to show behind the scenes. Every person who follows you knows your products or services, but they may not know how the work takes place. By adding behind the scenes, you show your followers what you can do in the early stage by adding behind the scenes. If you have any products, you can show how you make them. You can give your followers an online tour of your manufacturing plant. Show them how excellently you make the product. If your product is a food product, you can show how you create the dishes with good hygiene care. Who will not be interested in ordering tasty yet hygienic food? It will increase the trust of the audience and will show transparency of your brand that you don't hide anything from your customers. The last one, but one of the most effective ways to use Instagram Live is taking an interview of a relevant person to your business. Interviewing a person who's an expert in a niche can create a powerful impact. For example, suppose you are a digital marketing institute. In that case, you can interview a digital marketing person with the subject Career in Digital Marketing and promote your courses alongside. It educates your audience and makes them more interested in the product. And when you educate them through an expert, its impact doubles, which increases trust and pushes your audience towards your product. If you are interviewing a person with a significant number of followers, you even get more reach, and an expert can even join in the live chat. So, these are the 4 ways of marketing through Instagram Live. If you think there are other methods you can use for marketing through Instagram Live, don't hesitate to comment down below. Like Instagram Live feature, you can also use the Instagram Guide feature for your product by creating product guides. For this, you can check out our Instagram guide video by clicking on the I button in the left corner. Please like, share and subscribe if you liked our video. Thank you for watching.